Your Solis has an LP cooktop. In using this stove, the first thing to do is open the vent located in the pop top. Onto the stove itself, lift the glass lid, and your controls for the stove are right here. You will need to ensure that both the outside and inside LP switches are in the on position. To light the stove, turn the knob and press the igniter button, and you'll see the blue flame. When you've completed cooking, allow sufficient time for the stove to cool off before closing the lid. Another feature of note in the Solis galley is the work surface extension. Secured with a barrel catch.